Hello guys. Today I found a camera that I've never heard of. It's called TCM, and that's the whole name because that's it. It's got 34 millimeters lens and autofocus. I don't know about this autofocus. When I press the shutter button, it looks like the lens is moving a little forward and it's spinning. So yeah, it's a cheap little camera. It's I don't know how to describe it. It's just a piece of plastic with a hole and maybe a glass lens, but I'm not sure. It could be plastic also. Um, this is how it looks inside, and it takes two AA batteries. Whoppa. And I'm not really sure if it works. Oh, it works. Sort of. Okay. So yeah, if maybe it's got two buttons. If I press this button, it should stop the flash, which it did. And this one, maybe it's a pre-flash. It's a forced flash maybe. Yeah, so this is TCM. Maybe in this part of Europe, I've never heard of it. Maybe I knew a TV channel called like this, TCM. There's the counter here. You got also a green LED, which I think is for the flash. And that's really it. I don't know if this button works. No, it doesn't. So I just wanted to show you this little toy camera. Thanks.